Hello, and today's Happy Healthy Eats is Chef Steve Brown's Wagyu hanger steak served with pureed potatoes, carrots, and broccolini, served with a fish chili caramel. It's an Imperial American Wagyu, and we're going to use John Kenney's Marinade. All right, so here is John Kenney's brown sugar bourbon marinade. So we have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. He recommends apple cider vinegar. I only have rice vinegar. So since we're doing Japanese Wagyu, I'm gonna use Japanese vinegar. So it's 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. And then we're gonna use some of my Maker's Mark bourbon. That's 2 tablespoons as well. 1, 2, and mix and stir. And we're gonna go and put this marinade, so it smells good, into our sous vide bag that we're gonna cook. All right. So I've got the immersion cooker set at 130 degrees. It's been going on for about 2 hours. And here is the hanger steak that I got from Chef Steve Brown. All right. So here's the hanger steak after immersion cooking. It's been patted dry and heavily seasoned with salt and pepper. Now it's ready to be finished on the grill. Okay, so we're heating up a cast iron skillet with some butter, getting ready to put our hanger steak on. We're gonna let it brown a little bit. Sprinkle a little water to see if it's hot. Yep, it is hot. So the grill's about 400 degrees, so we're getting ready to put the steak on. All right, here we go. So we're gonna cook it like this first, so it holds its shape. Okay. Cooking on one side, and then we're gonna flip it. Some caramelization, some nice browning. Now we're gonna throw it on the grill real quick. Right there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and a T, U, V, a W, X, and a Y, and a Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and a T, U, V, a W, X, and a Y, and a Z. All right, got some nice char on there. Now that the steak has been finished on the grill, with immersion cooking, you can immediately slice and plate. There's no need to rest the meat. So tonight we're gonna pair the Wagyu hanger steak with the Roth Estate 2017 Cabernet Sauvignon from the Alexander Valley. And we're gonna decant this puppy in this decanter that was given to me by my CSPD board of directors. All right, here we go. Here we go. So here's the final plating, cooked to a perfect medium rare. You're ready to eat. Bon appetit!